Who's there? Come in. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what I thought. I'm a bit confused because I was a bit scared last night and today I met this strange guy named Josh. Oh well.
You met Josh? What did he do? Did he harass, molest, or even hurt you?
No. No harm done.
So are you alright?
Yeah, I am alright and I'm awfully sorry for being in such a fluster.
Quite natural given that you met Josh. He's a villain, a case-hardened criminal. Oh, please take it seriously. Give me your word.
I give you my word.
And last night? What happened? You said you were a bit scared?
Oh, nothing. I was just scared. See, everything's new, alone in the woods, unfamiliar noises. Oh well, I guess I'm just a scaredy cat, for no reason.
I see. But, if you are in need of help or in want of anything, let me know. I am there for you.
Alright. That is very nice of you. I really appreciate that. What is that? On the floor? Oh, what a beautiful rug.
I'm glad you like it. My cousin made it and it's for you.
A gift for me? Again, really? I don't know what to say. Did Joy make the rug? I got to know Shirley today and she mentioned her. Shirley's wonderfully beautiful necklace is also made by Joy.
No, my cousin Blossom made the rug. Joy's responsible for jewelry. I'm glad you got to know Shirley. She and her sister are good people.
Oh, by the way, I don't even know your name.
Oh, you are right, sorry about that. My name is Jason.
Jason, really? And do they call you Wild Horse, maybe sometimes?
No. Never. My cousin Thomas is called Wild Horse. Why?
No reason. The thing is that Shirley mentioned him, and her sister. I'm just curious.
Oh, you made the sign of the cross, why's that? I'm not well versed in such things. And I would like to understand.
Oh, did I really make the sign of the cross?
Yes.
Alright, I didn't notice that I even moved. Truth be told, I even had the feeling that I grew stiff, like frozen. Alright, see, I'm deeply religious. And I pray to God, a lot of times. It means a lot to me. Oh well, and sometimes when I make the sign of the cross, it's just because I'm grateful, or relieved, yes, or happy.
Oh, I see, so you are grateful and relieved and happy that I am not my cousin Wild Horse. Do I have this right?
What? No, I mean this makes no sense at all. Why would I be relieved? See, you don't have this right. For God's sake, Sally, thou shalt not bear false witness. Oh, you are right. Actually, I am grateful. And relieved. And happy. But please don't make me explain in more detail. See, you would make me writhe with embarrassment. Oh, please.
Oh, why would I do that? I want you to feel alright, and secure. That is important to me, because you are, oh well, somehow you are near and dear to me.
Oh well. Same here. It's too late anyway. I mean, I cannot deny that. I told you just this moment, blunderingly. Oh, I am so sorry, I'm a bad host. The worst host ever. Can I get you anything, Jason?
No thank you, Sally. I'm perfectly happy. However, I'm a little worried about you. Are you getting along all right? Or would you like to come with me, to my family and stay for the night?
Oh, no thank you. I'm getting along all right. I stay here.
Are you sure?
Thank you, I appreciate that, but I don't want to become a burden to your family. And I have to get used to my new life. It's better that way.
A burden? You? Never. They will like you. But I understand you, and of course I accept your decision. But do you think you'll feel secure alone?
Now that I have Shirley's gun? Shirley even said that I'm a prodigy. 3 shots, 3 hits. And if Joshua actually will pay me a visit.
What? Joshua? Why would he pay you a visit? Do you have grounds to believe that he will come? What did he say, Sally?
Oh, just trivia, nothing important. There is nothing to worry about. Oh please.
You shouldn't be so casual about this, villain. I told you this is serious. Sally, I could stay overnight, outside, on the porch of course.
Jason, please. Let it be, go home. No offense meant, really. No, quite the opposite, I'm starting to like you. A lot. See, I have to conquer my fears, my baseless fears. You know what? I would be delighted to see you again, tomorrow.
As you wish, Sally. I'm going, but I'm still worried about it. And Sally. Needless to say that I also would be delighted to see you again. Tomorrow. You became friends with my horse Joy. Clearly he likes you.
Kaiwa le olaho de she. Me kawasu the navho she yut. Le kode home le hawa.
Unfortunately, I don't understand a single word, but it sounds wonderful. Well, and you don't understand me neither, but probably it's even better that way. Because I'm now going to say things I would never say, if you could understand me. Idiotic, I know, but that's the way things are. See, Joy, that's never happened to me before, not anywhere near. I had not the faintest idea such feelings would even exist. What I'm trying to say, for me this is like entering unknown territory, and that's probably why I'm acting like a fool. Whatever. When I first saw you, oh well, that really floored me, or rather, it was like magic. Not to mention the fact that you are the most gorgeous human being I've ever met. It was like coming home. Only to no home I would ever known. See, usually I don't care if I got shot or something. There was no reason to survive, not at all. But this time it is different. There is a burning desire to come back to spend the rest of my life with you. Given that you want me to, of course. To put it in a nutshell, you are the one, Joy. Wow, I never would have guessed that I'm actually able to say such things. It's because of you, Joy. You made me say these things. Yeah, you rocked my world. You know, to tell you these things was really hugely important for me. See, in a short space of time we are riding to town in order to help Carol to break out of jail. Carol's Chris' cellmate and Anthony's future wife, if he is to be believed. Yeah, and such activities involve a certain amount of risk that one of us gets caught or shot or whatever. The fact is that I wanted you to know what you mean to me. Sure, you don't understand me, but I suppose at least you can feel what I meant. Just in case I'm going to die tonight, I wanted you.
Stop it. You must not say that, not even think about it. You will not be harmed.
You never can tell? Hey, you speak English. Does that mean you understood all the things I said?
Every single word, all the beautiful things. I enjoyed it very much. Oh, it was wonderful, Ian.
Hey, why is that? I mean, yesterday. Your cousin had to translate into English. Oh hey, as I see it, you led me a merry dance.
Absolutely not. But, to pay somebody a compliment is so much easier, when your cousin is the bearer of the message. Especially when you fell violently in love with this somebody.
You did. What? I'm not sure if I have this right. Could you please repeat that? Just once again.
I fell in love with you? Deeply. Oh, please stay, don't go. Oh, Ian, please. I only just found you, I don't want to lose you.
I have to, Anthony needs me. See, he's in love with this woman. But I will be back, I promise. I'm highly motivated to survive, now that, oh well, like I said, because of you.
Hey Bradley, I love your fiddle. Hey man, can't you stay forever?
Oh yes. Please, stay forever my love.
We all want to be rid of Edward and his shitty piano anyway. Please stay.
Oh hey, don't give it a second thought, Ed. I love you, and your piano.
Oh Chow, come on. Oh thank you very much indeed, Chow. I love you too.
Oh, but that is not what I meant, Ed. I love the piano. Whatever. To hell with that.
Guess what? Your 3 Chinamen, I couldn't find them.
No. Oh what a shame. Oh honey, I feel sorry for you.
Oh yes ma'am. I'm absolutely sure about that. Are you ready for jail, Dorothy? You told me a lie, there are no Chinamen.
Oh honey, you are such a dear, and, not forgetting, an outstanding sheriff. But honestly, you are scaring me, sweetie, when you talk strangely like that. You threaten me. Oh, I'm not going to jail. Oh baby, you should know me by now. By the way, I did not tell you a lie. Chow darling. Tell Uncle Alex of the 3 Chinamen please.
What? Yeah of course. 3 Chinamen, my cousins, Ling, Lang, and Long. They are traveling all across the country, blasting barns. This is their profession. And Uncle Alex, they are greatly feared. Compared to the 3 Chinamen, the blue-eyed brothers are cute cuddle bears. Harmless, innocent and tender.
But of course. I haven't got the faintest idea what's up with you ladies, but I will be able to figure it out, trust me Dorothy.
Oh I hope so honey, I hope so. It is really important to preserve your peace of mind. But most importantly, catch Ling, Lang and
Long.
Long, of course, Mr. Long. However could I forget him, he's the worst. Mr. Long is indeed the worst, Alex, beware of him, sugar. Oh, what's wrong with me? Alexander darling, Sheriff, can I get you anything to drink, a whiskey, or a whiskey?
No thank you, I'm on duty, as you may know. And I have reason to believe that at least 2 of the brothers are coming back tonight.
Oh Sheriff, obviously you have nothing to do but obsess over the blue-eyed brothers. Oh honey, you are paranoid.
Oh he's coming back. I knew it. Whoa Candace, you really have a crush on this guy. Is he really that magnificent? Oh Paige, you have no idea he's even better than magnificent.
It stick out a mile that your sweet baby boy was dotty about the woman I jailed last week. They are coming for her, and as true as I'm standing here, tonight I will catch them, or shoot them if I have to, take my word for it.